Now it's possible to instantly generate a first draft for your PFMEA, either out of time studies or from a line description that has been entered into Kaizen Copilot. All you need to do is import the relevant line, in this case, Glovebox Main Assembly Line, and you get the first draft of your PFMEA generated automatically. This includes, of course, failure modes, effects, failure causes, and potential modes of preventing those failure modes. On the results page, we can see a risk matrix, as well as our top 10 RPNs. We can download the PFMEA in an Excel template. Further, it is also possible to edit any of the entries, either with the help of AI or completely manually. Here, we are asking the AI to suggest further failure modes, and then selecting the failure mode and manually entering the potential cause of that failure mode. It's also possible to specify a recommended action and assign the responsibility for performing that action to a team member. Use Kaizen Copilot to compress weeks of quality planning work to minutes. Schedule a demo for Kaizen Copilot today.